Alright, how's it going, guys? It's Diamond here, and today I'm back here with another plugin showcase, where today's plugin showcase is on Craftingstore. Craftingstore is basically a full replacement for Buycraft, and Buycraft is just, in my opinion, way too expensive for what they're providing nowadays, and Craftingstore basically beats that in every form factor. Just one or two things here that I don't like, but that's on both party members. But Craftingstore, in my opinion, is better than Buycraft. Should you guys use it? Totally. It will help you out and boost up your server, and you can add more features for a lower price instead of spending 20 bucks to edit a CSS and an HTML. Really, that's ridiculous. But yeah, Craftingstore helps you out, provides you a cheaper price, and you can get along with your server a lot faster. So it's going to be a bit different this video. I'm not going to be in Minecraft, but mainly over my desktop. So we're going to hop in there, and I'm going to show you guys every single thing you need to know. So let's check it out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's
Alright, so here we're on the page. Basically, once you have your account set up, we can go ahead and just start immediately. Make sure you have the plugin dragged and dropped into your server and reloaded, so all the files can be generated. After that, you can go ahead and just click over here on servers and click new server, and here you can basically just type out the name of the server you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and put, for example, squad. After that, you can go ahead and choose Minecraft plugins, that's one we're creating, and then click create server. You'll see here that we get a API key, which we need to go ahead over here and then paste it in. Once you got that, you can change certain aspects such as the prefix, or you can even disable the command in general in game. I'm gonna go ahead and just save it like that. Once you got that, make sure to reload your server and you'll be good from there. Now what we can do is come over here to categories, and then we can just basically create our own category. We're gonna go ahead and create a new one, and we're gonna call this one game mode, and then in-game name is just gonna be, I can go ahead and put whatever you want. I'm just gonna call this game mode as well. Basically, the description of it is change your game mode. Basically that simple. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it the way it is for now, because I don't have any subcategories or anything like that. It's just a category. It's just gonna put it in a different class, and then we can go ahead and click on packages. Packages is where we're gonna set up all the store items and basically that. And then here we can just go ahead and put the name of it. So we're gonna put survival. We're gonna go ahead and put description, change your game mode to survival. And then we can even add images if we want or anything like that. It's very similar to how Buycraft works, but a lot cheaper. So after that, we can go ahead and put a price range. So I'm going to go ahead and put 0 because I actually don't want to pay for it. You can set it to expire after a certain amount of time as well. So say if you want to do, for example, sales or anything like that, or a time command or anything like that. And then here, you can go ahead and set the payment type, which is going to be a one-time payment. And on servers, you can go ahead and just click on the server you created. So mine's going to be squad. We need to go in commands, and then here we can go ahead and put game mode, or any command you would put. For example, I'm going to go ahead and put player, but I need to make sure I put on game mode 0. So basically, game mode works as the following. I'm running a command and specifying it towards a player. So here you can see different ways you can specify a player. For example, say you're running a cracked server, you would use more UUID. While if you're running a premium server, I would recommend using player, as that's how it works best. Now I can go ahead and choose a file if I want to, so I'm just going to use squad's logo, for example. And then we can go ahead and click requirement if it's needed. So for requirements, it's more like a rank upgrade from what I've used at least. So if a player has rank A and they want to upgrade to rank B, without purchasing rank B completely over again and paying more money, they can just go through requirements, meaning they require that rank before purchasing the next rank, meaning they won't spend as much money and they can put an upgrade. I'm sorry if that sounded complicated, but that's the best way I can explain it. So here in game, we can add certain things. So for example, we can add the block item. So we're gonna put diamond underscore block. I don't know if that's the correct ID. We can add the material, so I'll put 1. We can add the name, so I'm gonna put survival. And then I think that's about it. I'm not gonna put too much effort. Gateways is where you set up the payment, but we are not gonna be doing that since I don't really need to. And then we're gonna go ahead and create the package. So the package is created. Successful. Now all we got to do is click on view store, and then here, as you can see, we have the category game mode. We can click on that and it will have our item right here that we can purchase. I'm gonna hop back in game and I'm gonna show you that it works in there. Make sure you reload your server once. It's just a recommendation, and I'm gonna show you that everything works in there. Alright, if you guys want to start your own server, and before we continue this video, of course, you guys should totally check out Revivenode in the description down below. You guys can get premium servers for budget price, and using the promo code DiamondRush and all caps, you can get up to 10% off in your very own server today. So make sure to check it out in the description down below. All right, so I'm in game. I'm gonna go ahead and just go through the process of going purchasing the command right now. Purchasing the item is very similar to how it is on Buycraft. So we're gonna go ahead and just put all information I need. Click the term and services. You guys can't see this, but I'm just going through the payment process. Once you got it done, we can just confirm it. And basically just said, I will receive my item in game shortly. And there we go. We actually got it fully working. That's simple. It took about, I'd say roughly 30 seconds. So I would put a disclaimer out there, like in every item you put. And every item you put, I would put a little small disclaimer saying up to 30 seconds of delay while you purchase it, because it's pretty much like that in about every server regarding how you purchase it. So I'm in survival. That's exactly what I wanted. I could set up one for creative or etc. But what you should do is set it up for your server. And if you guys want, there's also a theme in the description down below that if you guys should check it out. It makes everything just look 10 times better. So if you want a theme to put on your crafting store, I highly suggest one at the bottom. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have, smack the like button down below. If you guys have any comments, please leave it. If you hate it, hit the dislike. If you like it, hit the like. Other than that, I'm Diamond, and I'll see you guys next time, hopefully with a better upload schedule. Cheers.